All right, it's 12:30, March 5th. We're going to do a repairability test on this one wind crease shingle. As you can see, there's one there, there's one here, there's several, there's probably 40, 50 plus band of shingles. We put a tarp on that right there. But in order to get this shingle out, I've got to get underneath and get this shingle off so I can get my nails in the right spot. So make sure these are loose. Okay, so here's the shingle, 1, 2, 3. There's the cut, so what we'll do. Alright, let's get that. Sure. Alright, now you see this. I'm trying to do this repair on this one. Got that, but this is very brittle too. Alright. That's good. It looks like there's a nail up here that the roofer put in. So I'm gonna have to way far back. It's like way back. So they put it down here, nail way back there, and now this shingle is now damaged. This is going to be a domino effect. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this shingle off.